Nekala leta fo patira chokaba kamalo kubwaza bade manyi balamu
ayinza okuba yeye
atudde wali wabweru
bam olima
wallahi billah
What's funny? Man. Mbera yako kukirizwa obulungu bwamu. Bakabulinde nja kukutunuzaamu kamera. Bakabulinde ali kukuwa omukazi n'aganya kutunuzaamu kamera. Kasajja kazibu nnyo. Left, right, and center.
Finally.
Holy Family Kazo Angola Holy Family Primary School
Kazangola nayo yabatinda
NAM
Kazangola nawo
Ngena 0
yabadde secondary school
Luwemba 2 Luibazi 72 Mchivi 0 Mlerwa 3 Msitwa 0
Nambe
Whose result? Ngena 0. You not direct me to that extent. Kazo Angola Holy Family Primary School N to NAM. Ngena 0. Kasacha 1. Luwemba 2. Luimbazi 72. Mchivi 0. Mlerwa 3. Msitwa 0. Mtazindwa 0. Nambi 42. Sereko 0. Holy Family NAN Ngena 0. Kasacha 0. Luwemba 0. Luwemba is 1. Luimbazi 57. Mchivi 0. Mlerwa 2. Msitwa 0. Mtazindwa 0. Nambi 21, Nsereko 0. Holy Family Primary School N to NAM. Engena 0, Kasacha 1, Luwemba 2, Luimbazi 72, Muchibi 0, Murerwa 3, Masitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, 42, Sereko 0. The same. Is there a variation? It's a copy of the same. But it cannot be captured in our system twice. Kawempe 2, Namwandu Nkoyoyo's form A to J. Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luwemba 1, Luimbazi 45, Muchibi 0, Murerwa 5, Masitwa 0, Utazindwa 0, Nambi 16, Sereko 0. Namwandu Nkoyoyo's home K to K. Engena 0. Namwandu Nkoyoyo's home K to K. Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luwemba 1, Luimbazi 110, Muchibi 2, Murerwa 5, Musitwa 0, Mutazindwa 1, Nambi 16, Nsereko 1.